Space, the final frontier. It's vast, mysterious, and full of wonders that have captivated humanity for generations. Among all the celestial bodies, one planet stands out, calling to us with its fiery red hue and intriguing possibilities. And Mars? It's beckoning us. This enigmatic planet, often referred to as the Red Planet, has been a source of fascination and curiosity. Its reddish appearance, caused by iron oxide or rust on its surface, makes it unique and easily recognizable in the night sky. This red planet, our neighbor, has fascinated us for centuries. Ancient civilizations observed Mars and wove myths and legends around it. In modern times, it has become a symbol of exploration and the next frontier for human space travel. The surface of Mars, with its vast deserts, towering volcanoes, and deep canyons, presents a landscape both alien and strangely familiar. Will we walk on Mars someday? Will we live there? These questions fuel our imagination and drive scientific endeavors. Imagine the first human footprints on Martian soil, the establishment of colonies, and the potential for a new chapter in human history. The dream of living on Mars is no longer confined to science fiction. It's a goal within our reach. The possibility of life on Mars has always excited scientists and dreamers alike. Could there be microbial life lurking beneath the surface? Could Mars have once harbored life in its ancient past? These questions push researchers to study Mars with fervor, using advanced technology and innovative methods to uncover its secrets. From telescopes to rovers, we've been exploring the red planet from afar. Telescopes have given us glimpses of its surface, while rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance have provided detailed images and data, revealing the planet's geology and climate. These robotic explorers are our eyes and hands on Mars, paving the way for future human missions. But what if we could actually stand on Mars? What would it be like? Picture yourself standing on the Martian surface, feeling the weak gravity and gazing at the pinkish sky. The experience would be surreal, a blend of excitement and awe as you take in the alien landscape around you. Hold on tight, space cadets, because we're about to take a quick trip to Mars. Imagine the thrill of launching into space, the anticipation building as you approach the red planet. The journey itself would be an adventure, filled with challenges and discoveries. 5 seconds, that's all we've got. But in those 5 seconds, we'll experience the essence of Mars, a whirlwind tour of its most iconic features. From the towering Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system, to the deep Valles Marineris Canyon, Mars is a planet of extremes. But trust me, 5 seconds on Mars is one wild ride. The planet's harsh environment, with its dust storms and frigid temperatures, presents both challenges and opportunities for exploration. As we continue to learn more about Mars, each discovery brings us closer to making the dream of visiting and perhaps even living on this fascinating planet a reality. Mars is a harsh mistress. First off, the atmosphere. Forget breathing. Mars's atmosphere is super thin, about 100 times thinner than Earth's, and it's mostly carbon dioxide, which is no good for us humans. We need oxygen to breathe. Without it, you wouldn't last long. Imagine trying to suck air through a straw that's 100 straws thick. That's what breathing on Mars would feel like. Not so easy, right? Then there's the temperature. Brr. The average temperature on Mars is a bone-chilling -80 degrees Fahrenheit. That's colder than your freezer. The lack of a substantial atmosphere means Mars can't hold on to any heat. Sunlight just bounces right off the surface. So forget about shorts and a t-shirt. You'd need a super-duper spacesuit to survive the Martian cold. And don't forget about air pressure. It's incredibly low on Mars. Like, really, really low. Earth's atmosphere is like a cozy blanket, pressing down on us. Mars's atmosphere? More like a flimsy sheet. This low pressure would make the liquids in your body, like your blood, literally boil. Yeah, not good. Section 5. 5 seconds on Mars. So what would happen if you magically teleported to Mars for just 5 seconds? No spacesuit, no fancy equipment, just you and the red planet. Well, first, you wouldn't be able to breathe. Remember that thin atmosphere? Your body would immediately start gasping for oxygen. The freezing temperatures would start to freeze any exposed skin. And the low pressure? Well, let's just say it wouldn't be pretty. Section 6. Earth versus Mars. No contest. It's pretty clear. Earth is a paradise compared to Mars. Our atmosphere, temperature, and pressure are all perfectly suited for life as we know it. We take our planet for granted sometimes, but a quick trip to Mars would make you appreciate Earth a whole lot more. Mars might be our neighbor, but it's a completely different beast. A wild, untamed beast that we're still trying to understand. Section 7. Martian Mysteries. Despite its harsh conditions, Mars holds a certain allure. The Red Planet, as it is often called, has fascinated humans for centuries. Its reddish hue, visible even from Earth, has sparked countless myths and stories. But beyond the tales, Mars presents real scientific mysteries that continue to intrigue researchers. It's a planet of mystery and wonder. The Martian landscape, with its vast deserts, towering volcanoes, and deep canyons, is unlike anything we have on Earth. The sunrise on Mars, with its soft, diffused light, paints the sky in hues of pink and blue, offering a serene yet alien beauty. Did life ever exist on Mars? This question has been at the forefront of planetary science for decades. The soil and rocks of Mars hold clues to its past. The rovers, with their advanced instruments, have been tirelessly analyzing samples, searching for signs of ancient life. Could it exist there now? The possibility of current life on Mars, even in microbial form, is a tantalizing prospect. Scientists are examining Martian samples with cutting-edge technology, hoping to find even the smallest hint of life. Scientists are still searching for answers. Every new discovery, every piece of data, brings us one step closer to understanding Mars. The rovers, like Curiosity and Perseverance, are our robotic pioneers, traversing the Martian surface and sending back invaluable information. We've found evidence of ancient water on Mars, which is a good sign. The presence of ancient river valleys and lake beds suggests that Mars once had a much wetter and possibly warmer climate. This raises the possibility that life could have existed there in the past. And who knows what else we might discover as we explore further? The future of Mars exploration holds endless possibilities. With plans for human missions to Mars, we may soon have boots on the ground, conducting experiments and uncovering the planet's secrets firsthand. Mars is like a giant puzzle. Each discovery is a piece that helps us understand the bigger picture. The more we learn, the more we realize how much there is still to discover, and we're slowly but surely putting the pieces together. The collaborative efforts of scientists around the world are bringing us closer to solving the mysteries of Mars. With each mission, each experiment, we are piecing together the story of the Red Planet, one discovery at a time. Section 8. Red Planet Dreams. 5 seconds on Mars might not be a picnic. The harsh environment, with its thin atmosphere and extreme temperatures, presents challenges that are unlike anything we've faced before. But the future of humanity on Mars? That's a different story. Imagine a world where humans have adapted to live on this red, dusty planet, where we've built habitats that can withstand the Martian climate, and where we've learned to grow food in Martian soil. With the right technology and a whole lot of ingenuity, we might one day be able to call Mars our second home. Advances in space technology are happening at a rapid pace. From developing sustainable life support systems to creating efficient propulsion methods, the dream of living on Mars is becoming more tangible every day. Imagine humans living and working on another planet. Picture a bustling colony where scientists conduct groundbreaking research, engineers build new infrastructure, and families go about their daily lives, all under the Martian sky. It might sound like science fiction, but so did landing on the moon once upon a time. The Apollo missions showed us that what once seemed impossible could be achieved with determination and innovation. They paved the way for future space exploration and inspired generations to look beyond our own planet. The human spirit of exploration knows no bounds. Our curiosity and desire to explore the unknown have driven us to achieve incredible feats. From the depths of the ocean to the far reaches of space, we are always pushing the boundaries of what is possible. And who knows what wonders await us on the Red Planet? The mysteries of Mars are just waiting to be uncovered. From its ancient riverbeds to its towering volcanoes, Mars holds secrets that could change our understanding of the universe. The journey to Mars will be challenging, but the rewards could be beyond our wildest dreams. So, as we look to the future, let's keep dreaming of the Red Planet and all the possibilities it holds for humanity.